Hello. Working on a few videos here, working on a bunch of watches, and today's video is actually going to be pretty short, I think, and it's about light. Let there be light. We need light to see what we're doing. Now, under the microscope, as you know, which is where I do most of my work, I have this great ring light attached to the lens. So under the microscope, I have lots of light, which is great. I can also turn the house lights up a bit, which works well. They're not up right now for added dramatic effect. But I also need, besides the microscope, I need to work at this table. Let's say putting on hands, taking off hands, if I have to do anything with the staking set, time graphing, anything here that I'm working with a loop, I need extra light. Now, for the last few years, I've used this light here, which actually works pretty well. It is a bright light, and it does light up the table there in a nice, in a decent way, in a very short throw. But the problem is, especially if I'm trying to video or if I get close, I cast a lot of shadows, and I'm constantly moving this thing around. So I really, it's not a struggle, but there could be something better to it. That's it. I think it's a good light. So I just got hot off the truck. I just got this light here, and really nice. It's a great wide fill, very adjustable. The light comes in from the side there is wonderful. Nice pleasant touch controls. Yep, so you can turn on either just the center or the sides. Little power adapter plugs right in there. And clamp, which just clamps to the table, pretty much like every other table light. Very sturdy. Nice, solid, great little light, which is important. So, and the more light you have, the better the focus is for your eyes, because your eyes, they close up a little bit. They dilate. The opposite of dilate, they close up, and you get a deeper focus. That's scientific, interesting there. So the more light you have, the better you will actually see things, not just because they're better lit, but because you have more focus. So there you have it. Quick light. It is the Micro Mem-Lam Transformable Swing Light. Got it from Amazon. I'm putting a link down below in the comment thing, and if you click through that, I get a little extra. We screw Amazon, I guess. It doesn't cost you anything extra. So please, it'd be great if you got it through that link. But yeah, great little light, very adjustable. I can use it on both sides here. You can see I can swing this thing around, and it's very maneuverable. So yeah, it's really good for us, for watch people and for just general hobbyists, I think. Anyone who does close-up work that wants a nice wide light that can wrap around you. Great light. All right, thank you.